Question 9, it pays to make sure you've added down your columns for the number of violations and added across for the age groups before you start. Please take some time to do that, maybe in pencil if you like your book. Now in the first instance, the probability that a person is under 25, 45 on 400, which gives us 9 over 40 in this instance. In the case of B, now the probability that the person's had at least one traffic violation. That's the probability of one violation plus the probability of 2 violations, 68 and 12 over 200, which is 0.4 or 2/5. Now in C, you're asked to find out the following. Given the person's had one traffic violation, he or she has only had one. So probability of one violation given there's greater than or equal to one violation. Now that's probability of one violation intersecting with the greater than or equal to one violation divided by the probability of greater than or equal to one violation. Now I've already found that from part B, 0.4, and when you have a bit of a look up, you'll see that there's a 68 over 200 for the one violation intersecting with the greater than one. So when we do the division, that will give me 17 out of 20, or I better just do that in my calculator. I'll just get the decimal value as a decimal, 0.85. Moving on to D, you're asked to find the probability the person's 38 and has had no violations. Now all I've got to go on there is the 25 to 45 range, and that gives me 47 on 200 as my answer. Now moving on to E, we've got the probability that someone is under 25 given they've had 2 violations. So probability under 25 and 2 violations divided by probability in this instance given the 2 violations. So working that one through, we've got 7 over 200, and that's divided by the 12 over 200, cancelling down to 7/12 as my final answer.